Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my vehicle, and it's a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. And I know I don't, and excuse me, let me correct that. I know I have not uploaded a video in quite some time, and there's a reason for that. There really is. Other than a lot of things happening here globally, actually focusing on my next strategies, also making sure that I deliver to you all. It is very, very important to me that I deliver to my audience things that really, really work. You know, a lot of times in network marketing or in affiliate marketing, people get hold to the next best thing and really don't know if it's going to be a long lasting or whether it has any staying power whatsoever. And I like to do that. Maybe I'm being a little bit harder on myself. I had some people even tell me, you're missing profits that way. But guys, let me tell you something. I'd rather miss profits than to have people come in, join me, and they are not able to duplicate what I can do, or at least be able to start earning something for themselves. I have people that reach out to me on Facebook and even ask me, well, what are you doing? And I tell them what I'm doing currently. Some things I really prefer not to share right out the gate because I want to experience the results myself in a very, very average way. What does that mean? It means that I have not shot it out to my list of subscribers. It means that I have not blasted it on YouTube, or I have not opened it up to my YouTube audience. It means that I have myself just taken a handful of people that don't mind being testers for me because I asked them to see if something first and foremost worked for them. And so that's what that means. So if I'm not the first person that puts something on here, it doesn't bother me. I am really, truly looking for platforms that will help the masses, not something that's just going to line my pockets. That's already okay for me. But what is really, really passionately impacting my life is making sure that other people are able to finally, first and foremost, see some success for themselves in a sense of monetary gain or a sense of a little bit of time freedom. I am right now having people, because they joined my team and because I am meticulously researching things, they're able to take vacations. They're able to do little extra things. I had one gentleman told me it had been almost 9 years since he'd been able to take his wife to a 5-star hotel for their anniversary. Now guys, I know that might not seem like a lot, but this young man felt that it made the difference. It made the difference to put that smile back on his wife's face. And I will tell you, I'm happy that I was able to help him do just that. Now on the other end, I want you to know, no matter what you're doing, whether you're an affiliate marketer or if you're just out here selling your own products and or service, you are part of the network marketing industry. You are networking, you are marketing in order for you to secure those different commissions that you're receiving. You're networking. You're going from person to person or group to group, or you're putting your information out there in a massive way to network, to get the people that you really are truly trying to target that would be interested in the opportunity or the products and or services that you're rendering. Okay, so I need you to understand that, because I have so many people that say, I'm not network marketing, I don't have anything to do with that. But when you reach out to me and you want to engage and you want to build a relationship, guess what? You are networking. You are marketing. You are marketing yourself out there to brand yourself, to see who you can connect with, and to target to see who would actually be interested in your product and or service. So please don't walk around with the disbelief that you are not a part of network marketing, because you are. And so I just wanted to bring that out to you all. Now there's a difference between network marketing and multi-level marketing. And sometimes people don't know the difference. Now, as far as multi-level marketing, I'm not a big fan of, especially if it's a binary structure. I do share some. That's only because I'm able to build in volume, and there's a lot of value in it because I am actually passionate about that particular niche, and others will be doing the same as well. But overall, I love to network, so there's a peer-to-peer organization that allows you to be able to earn faster and in a way that you'll be able to see income producing opportunity that will hail a difference in your monthly income. So with things like that, I want you to understand that we all are network marketers. We all are here to engage with one another, like-minded individuals, for success in whatever product and or services that we're delivering and we're rendering. So guys, I want you to have a fantastic Sunday. If you'd like to know exactly what I'm doing, definitely click the link below in the description. You will see a series of things that I'm actually sharing. You will be delighted that I've taken the time out to research. You will be delighted that these are going to be long-standing, long-term, secured foundations that you can step into and not have to worry about the next best thing here, tomorrow, the next day, next month, next year, whatever, which is right around the corner. So I'm trying to prepare you for that right now. Guys, have a wonderful one, and please forgive my hair flying all over the place. I definitely didn't want to scare you. But anyway, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you on here. Also, if you will, leave a comment. Tell me how you feel. If you're feeling like the industry has not moved in the way that it should have, I assure you, when you look at my description, you will definitely see something, or if not some things, that will definitely move you in the right direction, ending 2020, taking you right into 2021 in a more secure and profound way. So I appreciate that. Guys, hit that like button. I'd love to see you on here. Have a good one, and bye for now.